Now we have downloaded the service key, and to use this service key, we have to install ADT, that is ABAP development tool, inside the Eclipse. So how do we get the Eclipse and what is the process? This is the website of SAP tools.hana.ondemand.com. On this page, SAP explains what type of tools are required to work on technologies like ABAP, BW Cloud, Cloud Integration. So let's check the ABAP. And inside the ABAP, if you scroll down, so they have mentioned to install the front-end component ADT, we have to follow this procedure. So first we need to get the Eclipse from this URL, and once we have downloaded the Eclipse, we need to paste this URL inside the help install new software. So let's click on this Eclipse button and download the Eclipse. Now there are many versions of Eclipse. So I would suggest to download this version, Eclipse IDE for Enterprise Java developers. This tool covers all functions related to web applications and Java. It has many more features available. So to download it, click on this Windows 64-bit if you are 64-bit system, and if you are using Mac, then click on this button, and if you have Linux, then use this button. I have Windows, so I will click on this button. Now click on the download button and the downloading will start. I have already downloaded it and installed it my system. So I will go to my system and run it. So here is the Eclipse. To install the ADT, we have to click on Help, then click on Install New Software, and here we write the URL tools.hana.ondemand.com/latest, and then click on this checkbox and click on Next Finish. I have already installed the ADT, so I will not perform this action. So I will cancel it.